For more insight into the legal process, we're joined now by attorney Jennifer Cannon-Unione from the law firm of Dixon and Cannon in Seattle. Jennifer has 15 years of legal experience, the majority as a criminal and civil defense attorney. You saw this news conference earlier on NWCN. Did it surprise you at all that it took 7 weeks from the time the shooting happened until today when we see charges of second-degree murder filed?
Not necessarily. When you're talking about a crime that is so high profile, has international attention, and the charges are, in this case, so high,
right.
Of course, we want the process, we want the prosecutor to take their time to make a decision in filing.
Could this case end up being an indictment of the Stand Your Ground law? Talk a little bit about that.
Sure, and the Stand Your Ground law is essentially that when a person is being attacked, they do not have a duty to retreat. So they can fight force with force. They can fight back under the law. And we have a very similar law here in Washington State where we don't have to retreat. Even if we have the ability to retreat, we can fight back. The difference with the law in Florida is that there is tied to the self-defense, there is such a thing as immunity clause, which has been interpreted by law enforcement. I don't want to speculate as to the law enforcement officers that arrived at the scene, but it appears as though they believed that there was evidence of self-defense, and that because of that, they did not believe, based on the immunity clause, that they had a right to actually arrest Mr. Zimmerman. Hence, he has been out of custody this whole time. If this had happened here in Washington State, because we don't have an immunity clause, Mr. Zimmerman likely would have been arrested at the time of the investigation.
Jennifer Cannon-Unione, thanks so much for being here and sharing your legal experience with us. We appreciate it.